Happy holidays, everybody. Hope you guys had a great Christmas. I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Cliver collaboration with Nike SB on the Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike in the holiday special colorway. This very festive Nike SB Dunk released just in time for Christmas on December 19th for $110 US or $145 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is white, psychic blue, and metallic gold, and this marks the latest collaboration with Cliver with Nike SB. Cliver, for those that don't know, pretty much does it all. He's known as a skateboarding artist, an author, and he's also the founder of Strangelove Skateboards, which released their own Nike SB collab earlier this year. So whereas the Strangeloves were celebrating Valentine's Day, this holiday special pair in contrast has much more of a winter feel, and it's celebrating Christmas or whatever holiday you guys celebrate in December. So diving straight into the shoe, as we start things off with the toe box, this is covered in a very soft tumbled white leather. This leather has a pretty decent quality to it. I really like the softness, and on it, instead of the traditional perforations, the perforations for this pair are shaped in a snowflake. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, here we have this very fuzzy blue colored suede, and this suede runs up the center of the shoe covering the eyelets. Beneath this, on the mid panel of both sides of the shoe, we have more of that tumbled white leather, and then stitched on top of this we have this synthetic patent leather swoosh done in this gold finish. Moving further down, we have more of that blue suede which wraps around the back heel, and then above this we have this silver colored synthetic leather, along with another hit of suede at the very top with Nike embroidered in gold. For the laces, these come with these oval shaped laces done in this shiny silver finish, and the lace tips are wrapped in white, and they incorporate Cliver's signature in gold. If you're not feeling these stock laces, they also give you these shiny gold laces as well, which to me are a little bit too wild, but there's also a third white pair of laces as well. Underneath this we have your padded SB Dunk tongue. This is covered in suede, and at the top we have this nylon tag with Nike SB branding along with Cliver's last name. So the back of the tongue and the inner liner of the shoe, this is covered in this white colored velvet, and because this is an SB Dunk Pro model, there's additional padding surrounding the back Achilles area of the shoe. Taking out the insoles, one of my favorite parts about the shoe, these come with these mismatching insoles. So on the left foot, we have this graphic of elves putting together toys, and then on the right foot, we have this snowflake graphic with Cliver's signature. Because this is an SB Dunk model, on the back of the insoles, there's a Zoomer unit underneath the heel for cushioning and padding. So the upper of these SB Dunks sits atop this white colored midsole. There's this gold colored stitching that runs across. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your outsole, which is done in this semi-translucent, glittery turquoise color. This really adds to the whole holiday and festive feel of this shoe. And we have this circular traction pattern on the forefoot, along with this exposed foam in the middle with Nike SB branding. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these dunks. In terms of sizing, for those wondering, overall I feel like these run a little bit more true to size than your standard SB Dunk Low. So for example, I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and usually for SB Dunk Lows, I go with a 10.5. However, for this pair, I felt like the tongue was pretty thin and it wasn't that padded, and I was only able to get these in a size 10 instead of my normal 10.5. And honestly, trying them on, they felt great. I don't think that there's any need for me to go up a half size for this pair. Unless you have really wide feet, then you probably want to stick with a half size up. Otherwise, sticking true to size I feel like would give you a pretty nice fit. Next up, in terms of comfort, these feel pretty much like all my other SB Dunks, so they're not going to be the softest and most comfortable shoe on the market. This is still technically a skateboarding sneaker, so it's going to be very firm and very flat to the ground. So that means it's going to be fine for just a casual use sneaker, but don't expect too much from a softness and step-in comfort perspective. Last but not least, quickly touching upon the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair. Overall, I'd say that I was pretty happy. The materials felt pretty nice, everything from the leather on the toe box to the suede and the velvet liner. To me at least, you can feel that this is more of a premium SB than your standard GR, and my pair had no flaws. I had no issues from that standpoint, so all in all, I was pretty happy. So with all that covered now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. I'm super glad I was able to add these just before the end of the year. I'm just about ready to make my top 20 sneaker pickups of 2020 video, and adding this pair to the mix didn't make my life any easier to choose my favorites. I'm still undecided where this one's gonna be because this year has been absolutely crazy. Everything from dunks, both Nike sportswear dunks and Nike SB dunks, and then we have New Balance, we have Jordan, we have Nike. This has been a very heavy year, so I'm gonna have to really think this through and decide if this one is gonna make my list. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this holiday special Nike SB Dunk Low. How do you guys feel about this colorway? And between this one and the Strange Loves, which one do you guys prefer? Between these two, I think I gotta give the edge to the Strange Loves, but this pair is no slouch either. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at sgo8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thanks so much for tuning in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.